Color tools. Color tools are used to manipulate the colors of an image in different ways. These tools can be accessed from Tools, Color Tools. There are 9 color tools in GIMP. Color balance. This tool helps in maintaining various color depths of magenta, yellow, cyan across shadows, midtones, and highlights. Hue Saturation. This tool is used to adjust levels of hue, saturation, and lightness across a layer or an image. Colorize. This tool is used to colorize an image as seen by a colored glass. Brightness contrast. This tool is used to control the level of brightness and contrast on an image or a layer. Threshold. This tool is used to convert an image or layer to a black and white image depending on the pixel value given by the user. Levels. This tool is used to change the intensity range or level of a specific color in a channel. Curves. This tool is used to change the color, brightness, contrast, and transparency with the help of graphical curves. The upward curve denotes a lighter shade, whereas the downward curve denotes a darker shade. Posterize. This tool is used to give a poster-like look to the image. It reduces the number of colors being used in an image, thus making it more fictional. Desaturate. This tool is used to convert all the colors based on their level of intensity to be converted to various shades of gray accordingly.